So today, we're going to be talking about the 360 backhand smashing technique. My name is Gerald and welcome to this video. So the 360 degrees backhand smashing technique is used when you want to get maximum power in your backhand smash. However, use it sparingly because it's a dangerous move that leaves you vulnerable, as when you are rotating, you're unable to see where the opponent is going to hit the shuttle. But if it's used well, it feels epic. So in today's video, we're going to have Donovan and Wesley from the Singapore national team that will be demonstrating the technique to us. Basically, you must be able to take every single backhand shots very comfortably, be able to generate lots of power and have very good control with the backhand drives, the backhand lob, the backhand drop. So basically you can control and hit the shuttle wherever you want before attempting the 360 degree backhand smashing technique, because having a strong foundation would mean that it is going to be much faster and much more effective when you learn the 360 degree backhand smashing technique. So just look at him flex the backhand, all that power and control from the thumbs up. Wing wing. So in this video, we're going to be covering how can you do the technique, the footwork, the contact point, the body position, the use cases, as well as a fair warning on when you should not or what you should not do with this technique. Alright, so let's begin. For the footwork, just remember high knee then single leg skip. Alright, so high knee first, followed by a single leg skip. So what you want to do is to get maximum height, and when you land, you want to land with a wide stance. Why? So that you can get a good amount of balance to follow up quickly. And when it comes to the contact point and position, you need to imagine doing the backhand smash as though you're doing the forehand smash. So it is important that you do not take the shuttle too far away from your body, because you kind of lose power from there. So you want to keep the shuttle close to your body or move closer to the shuttle. So let's look at the side view. Number one rule, take it as high as possible. Number two, you want to take it by the side of your body, or at most slightly behind your body. If you can take it by the side, that is where you can generate the most amount of power. So let's look at how Donovan does it. Just look at him, too easy. Just a fair warning though, do not, I repeat, do not keep practicing this through the multi-shuttle drills, because this is what's going to happen if you keep practicing it. Yeah, you're going to be dizzy. And now for the last part, how do you actually use it in game? Alright, so I'm going to talk about the basic use case, because once you get good at this, you can vary it and change it up depending on the opportunity. Alright, so let's talk about the basic case. So the basic case is that you must force an opportunity before doing the 360 backhand smash, because it's a full commitment attack, so you want to make sure that an opportunity is open. So a basic use case is to force a drive shot opportunity, open up the game, anticipate the return, the flat return, and commit to the cross backhand attack. So just like that, force a drive shot opportunity open, anticipate, commit to the attack, and bam! Just like how I would expect you to smash the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you around next time. Ciao ciao.